Guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can filter your comments on TikTok. First of all, log into your homepage, your TikTok homepage, go to your profile. From profile, click on the three buttons here. You see settings and privacy. From there you can click on privacy. You click on privacy, you can see comments here. Click on comments. Here you have different options to filter your comment. You can filter all comments if you like. You can filter spam and offensive comments. You can filter particular keywords if you like. So let's say you want to filter a particular keyword. So you can have the keyword that you don't want to exist on your TikTok profile here. Let's say TikTok keywords like so you can filter some of these keywords, and any keyword that is curse word or swear or whatever you don't like to show on your TikTok profile. So you can filter any keywords from this page. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post this video. Thank you.